Hey taters, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing my new iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium color. I'm so excited. But first up, we're going to move this aside and open my case and my screen protector first, because I feel like it's not as exciting as the actual phone, so. I've had this delivered for like 3 days now, but I hid it in my drawers, because if I kept looking at it, I would just be dying to open it, but I wanted to open it all at once. So we have a Belkin screen protector that I got from the Apple Store website. And then the iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case in, I don't know what color, but it's like a green color. Kind of close to my shirt. I didn't even plan that, that's kind of fun. But this looks sweet, I'm so excited for this. This is so satisfying. Maybe. Whoa. That looks good. I love this color. My last phone I have is an iPhone 12 Pro in it's like the blue color. And I have an off-brand case, silicone case, which I've never gotten an actual Apple silicone case, and this feels so good. Okay, now let's open my actual phone. I'm gonna cut myself somehow. Guys, oh, this is insane. I've never had the max size phone before. All right, let's open it. It has the tabs on the back, just like the case. This is my first time ever seeing this phone in person. I've only seen it online. Just look at the color. I'm speechless. I knew from after I got this phone a year after having it, I wanted to get the silver color phone. I wanted a lighter color. I don't want a dark one. And they came out with a natural titanium. And it's the perfect color of it's earthy tones almost, but still light. It looks amazing. And it is so light. This is crazy. The titanium feels incredible. Let's do a little comparison of my... Don't need that anymore. It looks so good. And the action button. What? That's crazy. And you wipe my fingers so I don't get fingerprints everywhere. I can't get over this color. It looks so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let's do this. Oh, that was so satisfying. Oh my gosh, this is my first time ever using a phone with a dynamic island, because I've always had the normal notch. Now I have a dynamic island. And the USB-C. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting everything. That's not focused, but whatever. It's oh yeah. Now we're in business. I was nervous it was gonna feel huge, but it actually fits perfectly in my hand. I'm really happy with it. Oh, now we're just in the normal screen. The responsiveness of touching the screen, it's so fast. It just, I don't know. I can't explain it. While this is getting set up, the size of the cameras, the amount it sticks out is crazy. This one sticks out so much compared to my 12. That's gonna be a big adjustment for me. It'll be fine. But while this is doing that, we can show what else is in the box. So I have, oh, I forgot it's a braided cord instead of the normal cords. So it's just more flexible and durable, I guess. I don't really know. This is nice, wow. I'm so excited that it's USB-C. Because my MacBook, iPad, everything else uses USB-C except my phone, but now it does. And it's gonna be so much more convenient. I only have to bring one cord to charge my all my devices, which is gonna be amazing. This is taking a little while. Might as well put it in the case so I don't break it. Oh, really fast though. When I was holding both of these, the natural titanium is so much lighter compared to my iPhone 12. This is a much bigger phone, and it's actually lighter than my 12. That's really nice, because apparently 14 Pro Maxes are super heavy, but this does not feel heavy at all. Oh, my phone number got activated. Cool. Oh, now it needs its software update apparently. I don't know. So I'm just doing that. but I'll put it in the case while we wait. It's so weird not having a mute button. Like, it's literally just the action button. Like, that's so weird. Whoa. These look good together. I'm obsessed, guys. Another thing besides like how light the titanium is like my hands are so sweaty right now, and there's no smudges at all on this phone. It's crazy. I think I said the word crazy like 20 times in this video so far. Yes! Completed. Apparently I can just bring my old phone next to my new one. Oh. And it'll like automatically transfer over. That is so nice. So I'm gonna set up Face ID. The camera quality already. Oh. Start over. I forgot they like rounded the edges so it's not as sharp. It's like a minor detail, but like, wow. No words. Signing me into iCloud. Okay, so I think that since I just like added my new phone number, or my phone number to my new phone, that I can't call my mom. So I don't know how to get in contact because I need like a verification code that got sent to her phone, and she's like 6 hours away from me right now, so I gotta, maybe I can call her from my iPad. One second. And while I'm like doing all this, I forgot to mention this earlier. I just want to say that I'm super grateful that I can get this new phone, and like I don't take it for granted. And I realize how like lucky I am to be able to get a new phone like this. I don't get a new phone every year though, so it's not like a regular occurrence for me. That's why it's like even more exciting. Okay, please tell me her on my iPad right now. This is so funny. Alright, while this is updating and like uploading my iCloud to my new phone, I'm going to put the screen protector on just so it's protected and everything. I've never gotten a Belkin screen protector before, so this is interesting, but I'm hoping it's good. I mean, it's the one Apple was selling, so it better be good. Oh, I like put the phone in here and I flip this back over. That's kind of cool. I think it's done. I don't know. There are no air bubbles at all. That was a really easy experience. I liked that. 10 out of 10. Good job, Belkin. So on my old iPhone, I use like dark mode, but I think on this one, since it's a light color, I'm gonna use light mode. I just switched my iPad to light mode, and then it's like been an adjustment at first, but the past couple days I've gotten used to it, and I actually like light mode a lot. It's just like a whole new device, it feels like. So now I'm customizing the action button, which is crazy. I don't even know what I want to use it for, but let's just see what we can do. Silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, shortcut, accessibility, or no action, which would be stupid. I never really switched mine between silent mode on my, like when I actually had to flip, it was always on silent mode. So I think I'm going to use it for the camera, because I don't have like easy access. I'll click this and it'll go to the camera. Welcome to iPhone. I'm probably sweating. Not all of my apps have to download, which was going to take a while, but it looks so good. Oh, I'm on the camera app. The quality of this. It's so good. Guys, the quality of this phone, unreal. Okay, well, all my apps are downloading, so I guess that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to try all the new features of this phone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, taters.